How to log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Amazon A to Z employee account. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser of your preferred choice. And in the search bar, type in Amazon A to Z login. Now, from the search results, head over to the second link that says Amazon A to Z login. So, once you're here, you'll be taken into login page. So, first of all, you have to enter your login, that is your ID. Make sure you have entered the correct email address associated with your account. And under that, type in your correct password and make sure you have entered the correct password associated with your account. In case if you forget your password, there is a link right here that says forget your password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. Once you're done typing in your login and your password, click on login button. And if you have entered the correct login credential, you'll be directly logged into your employee account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.